Today, Dipti ma'am, you can make a note of it. Today we are going to discuss about some of the digital tools. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Digital tool, ma'am.
Right. So digital tools, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
What did we do last time?
Ma'am, about Teams app features, one feature, a notebook.
Mhm.
Feature.
We talked about OneNote. Okay. And before that, we talked about some of the reflection strategies.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
We will be revising in between whatever we have done. So without wasting any time, I'm just going to begin. Right. I hope I'm perfectly audible.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So those who are having this, they can even practice simultaneously. Others, they can just observe, and you may even watch the recording later to see. What we'll be doing is right now I'm sharing my screen to explain. I will be explaining two digital tools today to make your teaching learning process interesting so that you can grab the attention of the students in your online classes, right? Let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You see, I have typed this, you can see clearly autodraw.com, right? When you will be sharing your screen as I'm sharing right now in this meeting, you will be sharing during your classes. It can be done through mobile phone. It can be done through your PCs, your laptop. .com. And here you have to, this is up to you, which page size you want. You want landscape, you want portrait, you want square. Okay, suppose I'm using this one. The second option here is auto draw. You have to, I have already selected this auto draw. What you will be doing is you just try to draw anything. Right now also you can see I'm having mouse in my hand, and I will be using mouse as you are using, because sometimes we feel like with the help of mouse we are not able to draw on the whiteboard neatly, clearly, that is not visible perfectly to our students. For example, this is for all the grades, or depends upon you how you will be using these strategies. Okay, how you are using this. For example, for the junior grades, I'm talking about I'm talking about maybe till grade 2, our foundation stage. If for the LKG UKG we are not having these classes, but for first and second, if suppose you are going to explain about something, it is about all the subjects, whether art, whether anything. Now suppose I want to draw hut. You see, can you see when I'm drawing, some options are visible at the top here. And I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
drawn this and it is asking, what do you want? You want this? You want this? You want this? Oh, you see third, fourth, fifth, there is a lesson in class 3, different types of houses. Okay, when you will be explaining different types of houses, you will be able to explain by sharing the screen. Okay, and post that even. Now this is draw. You will be drawing a line. If you can even use a text, you can label over here. Okay, house, roof, whatever you want to write. Clear? So this is how, this is not only about houses. Now let me, I want to start over. Okay, so now what I want to draw, what do you want me to draw? Suppose I'm talking about shoes. I don't know, let's see whether I get it. See, I'm getting option shoes. I mean, this is a amazing tool. You see, you'll be able to use socks. I mean, just you have to draw, start doing it, and you'll be able to get so many options. Right? Did you like the tool?
Yes, ma'am. So much useful.
Yes, this is not only for
Yes,
junior
ma'am.
grades.
Yes, ma'am.
You see, the senior classes also you can use whatever you want to do. For example, Kuldeep sir is there today or not? I guess he was having some network issues. He's in Rajasthan, so there was some network issues. So is Mr. Puneet there in the meeting? Dipti ma'am, can you please check and let me know? That's okay if he's not there. Let me continue. Oh, that's okay. Others can also see. Suppose I want to now, you just to see what I'm going to draw. Now I have drawn this. Now it is asking exactly, I was thinking like this only. I wanted to draw a tooth. Okay. So I can do it and I can show it to my students. I can label it. You see? I'll first draw various lines because I want to label. See? And now I'll use the text tool. Oh. Crown. Neck. Root. Can even explain whatever you want your students. See? Now I want to just reduce the size because I'm not able to fit in over there, right? Text. Oh. Is enamel.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This is Dentine. Okay, you may easily move it from here to there, whatever you want to do, right? Inside its pulp. So this is how you will be able to do anything you want to do. You will be able to do. This is just amazing. And not only this. Now suppose you have explained this. After this again go to these 3 lines, or even you see fill, you want to fill it, you can fill the color over here. Okay, now it's up to you which color you want to choose. Okay, white is already there. I'm just trying with a different color, right? See, you'll be able to get it. Beautiful images. And then go to again 3 dots. Now here is download. Click on download. You'll be able to get it. Now let me open it. Let me share my screen again so that I can show you how it appears. See, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is how I have downloaded the image that I have just drawn it. I have labeled it. And this, after doing it, you will be able to share with the students. You can give the students homework as well. The students can also use this app autodraw.com. You can give, okay, draw the diagrams, label it and share it. Okay, they'll write their name who has drawn it. They'll like it. Okay. I hope you have liked this tool. Please use it to make your classes interesting and engaging. Wait, let me reshare my screen. So this was what we tried. Now let's do something else. Can anybody please tell me? Now here are shapes also, whatever you want to do with the shapes. And not only this, see, I want to draw something. You see, smiley appears. This smile. This is how whatever I want. Let me see if anything else appears. I don't know, some human figure. We can try. It is asking, did you mean this, whatever? Because I have not drawn a complete picture. That's why these kind of options are appearing over here. Let's see. I don't know. This is all about trial. See, a child's image is over there. You'll be able to do that. Whatever you want to do. So please, whenever you are teaching anything, you are teaching literature, you are teaching mathematics, you are teaching science, please do use this tool. Let me try with the numbers. I have not tried it earlier. It is just for images. You see, I have drawn 2 because this resembles our ear. So see, I'm able to get this image. Let me try to draw the nose. No. How I'm drawing. It all depends upon my drawing. Let me get a fresh page. Now, what do you want to do? Please, anything. Let us see. What comes here? See, this is there. This is there. So please try. You can explore. You can let your students explore. They'll able to love it and give such kind of homework to the students. So that after reading whatever they have observed these kind of homework, this is also IT integration. Their creativity is there. I hope you have got an idea. Triangle, whatever. It's already some shapes are there. And if you would draw, you will be able to get. Even if you draw this, you'll be able to get this circle. You want this kind of shape. You want this kind of shape, or even whatever chapatis, tomato, whatever donuts, whatever you want to moon. Please try. You'll be able to get so many other features. So, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I am just going to start with another one. Another tool that we are going to discuss today is wordwall.net. This is wonderful, amazing tool to create amazing games. Let me reshare my screen because wait, wordwall.net. Because here I need to log in, I need to sign up. I have already logged in with my another ID. Let me use that ID. Let me reshare my screen. Yeah, I have used this ID. Wordwall.net. See, this is a this is amazing tool to create better lesson quicker. Wordwall.net. Now, what I have to do is I have to log in with any of my ID, and then I have to create activity. I have to click on create activity. Can you see there are a number of amazing games that you can create? This is a paid free version also, and in free version you will be able to create, I guess, minimum 35 types of games. 35 types of games in a free version, you will be able to do that. Here are so many wonderful games. I'll just show you one that I've already created, then I'll be able to explain my activities. Here is the game. Now how I have to do is I'll click on share. You please try get link, copy. I am just sharing it in the chat box at once, and just to share your how did you like it. Please, some of you can try and just let me know. I have just shared the link in the chat box. Try it, then I'll show you another one. You may see on the screen also that how will it work. I'm just going to start it. You will get this kind of activity, right? This I've created just to show you. Now this we have to label. Now what exactly this point is? This is sepal. Okay. Now this is, I match it wrong. I'm just doing it because this is petal. I'm just going to do it here style. My will get wrong obviously. I'm doing it wrong. Okay. I have done all wrong. Now I'll click on submit answers. See, it says this is wrong, this is wrong, these are correct. And this is what I have got marks. 3 out of 5, and I have taken 44 seconds to do it. So this is how you will be able to create games, and even you can change the background if you want to change. There are different backgrounds also available. Please do share it with the students. Now here some pre-made games are also available. If you do not want to do it, if you do not want to create it, some games are already available that are public. Okay, see, this is another one that has been created by somebody else. You may use the pre-made games. Now let me see how you will create the activity. I'm going to create activity. Let us do one right now. Okay. For example, which one you want to do? Matching pairs, quiz, random wheel, group sort. Suppose, okay, I'm trying this group sort. Let's see what exactly it is. Now, activity, group sort. Suppose we are doing it for giving, okay, enough of science now. Suppose I'm going to do it with a noun and adjective activity. Now, group one, I want in group one, there should be nouns. Group two should be adjectives. Okay. Now, add an item. I want to add. Tell me any one noun. Dipti ma'am, please tell me some nouns. Everybody, please contribute one each noun. Hello, you're not audible.
Eraser.
Eraser.
Happiness.
Eraser. Even you see, I'm clicking it over here. See, I'll get this also. I do not have to go anywhere. Happiness. Let me see whether I get some picture. Happiness. Okay, fine. What else? Please, I want to have at least 5. Yes.
School.
एक minute. Okay. Right. Next.
Table.
See, it won't take even more than 5 minutes to create a.
Chair.
Anything else? One more, please.
Chair.
Okay. Right. Now, adjectives. Please tell me adjectives.
Round.
Round. Now, face is also round. Whatever. Let me get this one. Okay. What? Next, please.
Small.
Small. Then we have to compare. Small can be. See, this is good. This is
And
okay.
one. Second one is good, ma'am.
Which one?
Second image.
Just a minute. This one. Okay. Next, please. Beautiful. Let's say beautiful. Whatever. This is beautiful. Okay. Anything else? Please quickly give me 2 more words.
Strong. Strong.
Strong.
Ma'am, calm.
Okay. Strong. One last word, please.
Heavy.
Heavy. Okay. Now I have to rename. Now these are the nouns, adjectives. Oh, my game is done. I have done. So I'll do it done. Okay. Done. Let me see how it works. Share. make public. I have to make it public. Okay, I'll publish, copy, and then see I'm sharing the link with you. Try once, any one of you. Please do try. By the time I'll also play it over here, I'll show you how it works. Start. See, it will appear like this. Now, the students, they have to put it at the right place. Now, table, it will appear like this. Now, let me do share. Okay, मान लो मैं beautiful यहाँ की बजाय यहीं लगा देती हूँ. Let me see. School, erase, round, heavy, happiness, strong. कुछ गलत किया. Okay, small. Submit answers. Now, these are wrong. So, this is how, this is, you can also use this exactly for the formative assessment in your classroom when you have taught any of the topic. You can tell, like, you can make your game beforehand and you can plan. As I'm saying, you have to make the lesson plans. When you are making lesson plans, you can just check a variety of games, you can try, and even you can share the link also within the lesson plan. Okay, within the lesson plan, so that because you are going to do it for 15 days. Okay, for that, please, you can easily plan whenever you're having a weekend off or whatever, you will be able to do it and share it in the lesson plan and just copy and paste immediately. You know very well in lesson plan date wise you have mentioned on this particular day, on suppose today is second, on third you are going to teach some of the topic. Just prepare well in advance the link, and just after teaching, you just share the link with the students. And even you can share with the link with the students before the start of your particular lesson, just PK testing as we discussed yesterday, to check their knowledge, and they will surely like it. Okay, and here we are having another games. You see, now see, same game, can you see switch template? We did group sort, true false. Let me see how it appears. Same game you have made, you have changed the, now it is asking, now, same, you can see how it works for another ones. Quiz, red, sketch styles, true false.
Ma'am, please mute everyone because it's too much noisy.
Just a minute, I'll
Couldn't
do
get
that.
it organized completely.
Is it okay now? So I hope you like, you'll be engaging, interesting. You see, I'm going back to my all templates. Now here it is showing I have to click. You see, this is heavy. Heavy is noun or adjective? Picking adjective is right. Wrong. Now, because time is up. Look here, I'll just share, reshare my screen because, so see, you can add music also. I have added music too. Auto by default it comes. Let me reshare, and let me share the music also this time. So earlier it was group sort, now I'm doing true false. Start. Look here. Are you able to listen to the music?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
school.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Strong, adjective. Let's do wrong. Eraser. So I have created only one game. It has automatically been changed into another form. Round, adjective. Okay, now let me do this. See, your student is surely going to enjoy. Now The rules is hit moles that are nouns. I have to hit the nouns. Okay. They play games on the mobile phone. They can play here also, no? You see nouns. Let me check. So I have to do it. Let me do some more also. Are they going to love it or not? I hope you are also enjoying it.
Yes, ma'am.
Share, get link, copy. Try, you can use it during your even club activities too. Please. Wait, I'll just share this also link with it in the chat box. So one game, you have just tried one game and you have converted into various forms. You see different forms. Share. Oh. They have to arrange it. You can even change the backdrop. They have done it randomly. You have to do it. Please try different kinds of games, and even you can print also. PDF printables are also available. If you want to create a game and after that you want to print it, see the same game has been printed. You can give it in the form of worksheet to your students. Add in the worksheet. Your work is done. This, see, you have done just, you all have given one word each and we have created many activities. Likewise, even you can ask your students to contribute as you have contributed today by sharing one word each. You can give it to them, like they have to draw it. They will be able to draw the relevant diagrams. Group sort, this I've just shown you. Anagrams, they have to rearrange. Okay, same activity can be done in a number of ways. Drawing frame that I've just shown you. Okay, vacuum. See, they also have to do. Then quiz, whatever suits accordingly. Okay, see, they have to put a proper tick mark on that. Let's see what exactly airplane is. I don't know. I've not seen it. I'm also exploring with you. See, isn't it beautiful? They have to match with the clouds. I did just one and I've got number of things. Categorize, you know, they have to categorize rating scale, writing frame. See, noun and adjective activity, they have to write about school, what exactly it is noun, how they will, if you want them to explain why it is a noun, why is it adjective, you can give according to see different age groups. Just click over here, download, and it will be downloaded. Are you able to see? The beautiful worksheet appears. You can give it the homework as well. So please do try these activities. And I want to listen from all of you. What was your experience? How did you like these two apps that I've shared with you? Auto draw, please. There is no harm in turning on the videos. Please do turn it on. Akhilesh sir, you can use it in GK also. Please don't make your GK lessons boring. It should not be like, see, I'm not commenting that they are boring, but I'm saying usually when the students, they won't find it interesting. They would think like GK, they have to learn, match and learn. You can use these apps. You can ask, what is this? What is that? And आपके जो GK के lessons हैं, already you are doing. What you can do is, if there is match the column, you can make it like this and you can give the worksheet as a homework, because we have to okay, same, you refer to the book mein jo likha hua hai, you do it accordingly, and even you may change also and you can share it with your students. Yes Akhilesh sir, will you use this tool wordworld.net? Sir, please, you are on mute, sir. Unmute yourself and then speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, anybody else who would be using it? Who thinks that it is beneficial for you to use in mathematics? Even I have not tried it. You may please try because I won't take much time. You can make mathematics, you see, matching games, mental maths. Okay, you can any of the concept you can use it. It would be very interesting. Love to do it. Any comments from you? Yes. Nobody
Yes,
wants
ma'am. They will get it.
want
Yes,
you
ma'am.
did.
They will get it.
Ma'am, in symmetry and pattern, we can use it.
Yes, in symmetry pattern, even I have just actually, even if you will explore, you will get a lot, many wonderful things. For example, you are talking about factors and multiples, even also you can use it. Am I right?
How can we use it measurement?
Yeah, pardon? You're not
How
audible, Saveksha ma'am, you're not audible.
now, ma'am, it is audible.
Yes, yes, now you are audible.
I'm saying, ma'am, ki I am thinking, how can we use in measurement?
Measurement.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, you try, explore. I'll also do that and then we will discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody, please, I would like to say, please explore these tools and share your experiences with each other. Even in the Teams group, please do share your experience. Like, I have tried this app and what was the response of the students? Did they like it? Did they not like it? Please, in Hindi, Savitri ma'am, Sunita ma'am, will you be able to do it? Sunita ma'am, Savitri ma'am. No response. Not here. They are not here. Savitri ma'am, please unmute yourself. Savitri ma'am. Sunita Joshi ma'am, you have logged in with some another ID, not the official ID. Savitri ma'am, कैसे यूज करेंगे आप इस ऐप को? प्लीज मुझे बताइए. 35 at 8:35 I'll just leave the meeting. I'll just end this meeting. Savitri ma'am, will you please speak? नहीं है. यहाँ है ही नहीं है. आप लोग मीटिंग लॉग इन करके you just go away. सुनीता जोशी मैम.
यस मैम.
हाँ जी मैम, आप हिंदी में इसको यूज करेंगी इस ऐप को?
हाँ हाँ, क्यों नहीं. ये संज्ञा और सर्वनाम है, विशेषण
हाँ,
है.
ठीक
हाँ,
है.
इनको यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमने बच्चों को वो दे दिया, एक मतलब मिक्सिंग दे दी ना, ये संज्ञा की, विशेषण की, सर्वनाम की. तो उसमें से बच्चे अलग अलग फाइंड, मतलब उसमें से फाइंड करके अलग अलग इनको नीचे अपनी एक टेबल बनाएंगे और
जी,
टेबल
जी,
में इनको कर सकते हैं.
तो आपको क्या करना है, जब भी आप बनाएंगे, सॉरी जस्ट पार्डन, लेट मी टर्न ऑफ माय मोबाइल. हेलो, यस. हाँ, तो आप इसको प्लीज करिए एंड जो लोग भी ट्राई करेंगे, प्लीज डू शेयर द लिंक विद मी टू, with the students as well in the group to for them to try, and please share it the same with me too. I will also keep a record like how you have used these apps and how we have made our teaching learning process interesting and engaging. Siddharth sir, will you be able to use this in social sciences? Can you give one example? How are you going to use it?
Hope so. I can use it in social science because in social science I cannot give them the game all the time, or you can say maximum time I cannot give the game.
क्यों नहीं दे सकते? you can
Content
give.
is vast and
No sir, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Even after discussing, I really loved one workshop I attended a few days ago. Yes. सर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. साइंस का सिलेबस कम नहीं होता है. आई मीन इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट कि सोशल साइंस इज वास्ट, साइंस का भी होता है वास्ट. साइंस में एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन भी होता है, प्रैक्टिकल भी होता है. इवन वी हैव बीन यूजिंग डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ गेम्स. दिस आई हैव आल्सो ये दिया, if I have explained the
Ma'am,
parts of
but-
plants, okay, and then I've explained
Hello.
about the parts of a flower, and after that मैं quickly बना के उनको दूं कि in 5 minutes you just Savitri ma'am please keep yourself on mute, and
Yes, ma'am.
if I say
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
I say Savitri ma'am please keep yourself on mute, okay, don't
Yes, ma'am.
interrupt ma'am, and
Ma'am,
if
sorry.
I say Savitri ma'am, the meeting is being recorded, please keep yourself on mute, I have to share the link with sir, okay. So all of you, just I want to say, like for example, if I have taught in my class about parts of a flower, and I have made में एक बना के रख लिया मैंने ये गेम, एंड जैसे ही मेरा एंड हुआ उसके बाद मैंने बच्चों को बोला आई एम शेयरिंग द लिंक, जस्ट प्रैक्टिस वेदर यू आर एबल टू डू इट और नॉट, वो करेंगे एंड इन माय रिकॉर्ड आई विल बी एबल टू सी कि किस बच्चे ने कितना कितना लेबल किया, मेरे पास मार्क्स भी ऑटोमेटिकली आ गए और सब कुछ आ गया, एंड उसी चीज को आई कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू अ वर्कशीट एंड आई कैन गिव इट एज अ होमवर्क. दिस इज going to help you a lot in making your work easy. It's a great time saver for mathematics, for social studies. Ab social studies mein you are talking about maybe
Volcano.
I don't know. Can you tell me which topic is going on? Then only I'll be able to give you an idea.
Revolt of 5057.
हाँ, तो you can give years and क्या particular who was involved and उसका क्या action था, उसका क्या contribution था, when did it start, एक छोटा सा quiz puzzle कुछ बना के दे सकते हैं, that the students they would love to. ये सारा दिन सुनते नहीं हैं students, मतलब for the whole time they can not listen to us for 45 minutes. If you will keep on speaking they will not listen. At least they would look forward to your classes, like there is something engaging in your classes. They will share with each other, oh I loved it and it was really very good. Please do try it. Like today you can after like your classes get over it, and maybe on 4th is holiday, and because of this Karwa Chauth, you may please try during that time. Okay, please explore, and within this week I'm giving you a week's time. In this week everybody should try and share the experiences, like what was the students response, how did they like it. I would like to hear from all of you. And another important thing, please do note, what you have to do is you need to compile the attendance for this particular month as you did for 1st to 15th, and you have to do it from 16th to 31st. And I remember, I know very well, last time most of you have not shared the attendance with the parents. Please do compile it and share the same with the students as well. Let the parents know how many classes have been attended by a particular child. This has to be done latest by tomorrow. I hope you liked today's session, and I look forward to your fruitful engagement in these kind of tools in making your classes engaging. Please have a nice day. You may please proceed for your QCT. And today everybody must remember, you should be talking about National Authors Day. Please talk about that. And when you are talking about Authors Day, Maharishi Valmiki, when you are talking about Ramayana and all, please talk about, okay, because we just recently we had Valmiki Jayanti, okay, and please do talk about him. Okay, have a nice day all of you. Bye bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.